Did you know that 9 out of 10 real estate agents don't do enough social media? We know it's scary, it's time consuming, you don't know what to say, maybe you don't even have a social profile. Well, today's the day. Meet Mara, the world's first AI solution specifically for real estate agents, so they don't have to worry about social media ever again. Check out how it works. You just go to Marabot AI, enter the MLS number, make a few clicks to get the campaign set up, and you can walk away from social media for good. One listing takes 5 minutes. That means no more ChatGPT, no more Canva, no having to log into each platform, no more social media labor ever. Social media loves video shorts, so we didn't forget about adding that as well. Easily do a walkthrough, talk about the local businesses, do an expose on the local school district. Mara puts it across all your social platforms within seconds. Mara keeps you top of mind across all the major networks, including Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, X, and Google My Business, with future upgrades planned that include YouTube as well as TikTok. If you're not leveraging AI and social media, you're going to get left in the dust because your competitors are doing it. Mara will also make you a neighborhood expert. So even if you don't have any houses for sale, you can be out there as a home buying expert, as someone that understands the mortgage closing process, and someone that knows what they should about this market. Get Mara for $129 a month and never have to do social media again. Go to marabot.ai now and sign up.